Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that a Jewish scholar came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or he said, O Abul Qasim, undoubtedly on the resurrection day, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will lift the heavens on one finger, and the earth on one finger, mountains and trees on one finger, water and wet soil on one finger, and rest of the creatures on one finger. And then sawing them will say, I am the king, I am the king. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, being amazed and testifying that Jewish scholars' statement, smiled, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited these words, and they esteemed not Allah as was due to him, and he will roll up the entire earth on the day of judgment, and all the heavens shall be rolled up by his authority, and he is sanctified and exalted from their association. Surah Zumr verse 67. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6977.